Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pretty big pullback on this one, and I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed here, but yeah, the chart's definitely looking a little shakier here. I mean, not that long ago, it was up in the mid-60s. Now, all of a sudden, it's down here in the low 40s in just a couple of days. Again, I'm not saying everything's destroyed, but yes, things are starting to, it seems as though the landscape's changing around here a little bit. So after today's price movement, the first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see that this morning, I mean, the chart just did not like that $50 being broken. Broke down through there and then basically just bled the rest of the day. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation, though, so if moving forward the price consolidates out and works its way back upwards, then $50 is going to be that first big question mark in the sense of, okay, that's great that the price has gotten back up above, or gotten back to 50, but can the price actually get above it and stay above it? That's going to be the critical question. So keep a very close eye on $50. Not necessarily for the price to get back up to it, but can the price get above it? Because just getting up to it could just be a dead cat bounce. I mean, that might not be any sort of genuine power, but if the price can actually get up there and then continue on through it, well, then that makes it, that would give the bullish movement that much more, credibility in terms of the genuine strength behind it. Now, as far as next potential areas of support are concerned, near-term level of support going to be right there at $42.50, and then a $42.50 cannot quite hold up. Next key level after that would be that breakout point down here right around the $39 mark. So keep your eye on those areas going forward. But yeah, things are starting to look a little bit shaky here. But to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity to ultimately chip away and build a higher base. So as far as a big picture trend perspective is concerned, that's still in play. But next week going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.